been living in Dubai for the past 15 years as a photographer, videographer. I just thought I'd start documenting my little side adventures, exploring areas of Dubai that many people might not have seen. Today we're going to go and explore Dubai Creek and take you on a little journey. Hope you like the video. Please follow me if you want to see more of these. Let me know in the comments where you'd want me to go, or just give me some general feedback, because I'm new to this YouTube game. Enjoy! Cheers guys!